how to check medical status for Australian visa. You want to Google search for eMedical Client Australia and then click on the first website that pops up right here, eMedical Client. Now it is going to show us this. You want to scroll down. The eMedical Client login you will need to sign into with your family name, HAP ID, and your date of birth. If you click on eMedical Client here, it is going to take you to the website. And then you will need to provide record medical history. So here you will answer these questions. You want to go through all of the prompts, and this is going to generate an eMedical paper for you, which is going to look a little something like this. And once you have done this, then you can proceed with your application, but always consult with a licensed lawyer for all of your immigration needs. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.